to my channel. This is Miss Munchkin here, and I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So guys, today I am back with another video and another tutorial in which I am going to share the how to achieve this look. So you must be knowing that the Raksha Bandhan is on the edges, so this can be really helpful to you guys because I have not used any tough techniques, tips and tricks to achieve this look. This is very easy, breezy kind of a look which you can achieve within 15 to 20 minutes because that's what all we need. So without any further ado, wait a minute guys, wait a minute. Before getting into the video, let me tell you that if you really like this video, please don't forget to like this video, and if you enjoy watching my videos, please hit the subscribe button. You will be getting the notification whenever I put on the video, and please don't forget to click on that bell icon as well, that whenever I put the video you will be getting personal notification. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, hi. Now the first step which I am going to do is, can you just look at my skin, how terrible it is looking right now. But anyways, to soothen it up, I am using Good Vibes Aloe Vera Ka. This is the oil gel which is used to moisturize your skin. So I am using this. I am almost ending with this product. Pura khatam ho chuka hai. I am loving it a lot. It gives you, it literally hydrates your skin and gives you very, very moisturizing and plump skin. I am done with this step. The next step which I am going to use is that my primer. This is Inside Ka 2-in-1 primer. It also says it hydrates your skin, and which it really do on some extent, but still I like to hydrate it before too. So that's why I used my moisturizer. After this, I am using the primer to blur out my pores. Guys, make sure that you use your primer everywhere. Please don't skip this step. This is a very important one. Now I'll be using Inside Ka Ultra Thin Foundation, which is like, nowadays this foundation is something I am falling for. This is very light, this is very thin on the skin, and it blends like a magic. Like, to be very honest, I am not the one a big fan of liquid foundations, but trust me, this is just a magic. And after that, I am just prepping up my blender with some toner, and I'm just damping it a bit, and I am going to blend it. And guys, trust me, this foundation blends like a magic. You can see it, that how quickly it blends in my skin, and it's just give me this flawless base. After that, I am just going to bake my under eyes. I am not going to use any concealer. I have just baked the eyes a little bit because I have to keep it very simple. After all, you have to sit at your home, you have to chill with your brother, so I am not using my concealer and everything. The very next step is the eyeshadow. Oh my god, how can you forget, or how can you skip eyes when you are just getting ready? So here I have taken the base shade to prep and prime my eyelids. After that, I have taken this flat tip brush, and this is bit in a bigger size, which give me very precise crease. So I have taken a dark brown shade here, and I am just going to line my crease up so that it define my eyes. I have to keep it simple yet very glam. So that's why I'm just prepping my skin very good. So after this, I am using the concealer to crease it. You can use eye primers too, but right now I cannot afford eye primers and concealers and whatnot, so I'm just using my concealer for this. So I'll be just cut out that crease area where I want other color to pop out. After this, I am using this mauvish pink tone because my dress is somewhat similar to pink, what do you say, the Rani pink color, if you understand this color. So I'm just taking that color and I'm going to blend it. Half of my crease, that cutting crease area is filled with that mauvish pink color, and on half of my eyelid I am going to use shimmer wala pink color. That will give you a really good transition on your eyes. If if it makes sense, but guys आप देख के you can understand that it will give you a really good transition. And I am going to outline my lower lash line with again that shimmer pink wala color. After this I am going to take a pencil brush and I am going to take golden, light golden color जो है मेरी palette में shimmer वाला, and I am going to dot it on my inner corner of my eyes. It will give you a very ऐसे popping look, आपकी eyes पे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. It is my very favorite trick. And after that obviously I am going to use mascara. I mean eye makeup is incomplete without the mascara or the falsies. I am not a falsies fan, so yeah. After that I am going to blush my cheekbones. This is also a very great part of makeup. After all, you like it. So this blush is very pigmented. This is SFR ka blusher, so it is very pigmented. I like to take it very small. I like to take it in a very small quantity because बहुत ज़्यादा color आ जाता है. So I like to build it up slowly. And after this I am just prepping my lips. This is my lip balm, Blue Heaven का cocoa butter. गाइस ट्रस्ट मी, इसको ना ऐसे खोलते हैं आपको खाने का मन करेगा, आपको लगाने का तो बिल्कुल मन ही नहीं करेगा. इट फील्स लाइक वाओ, इसकी खुशबू बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी है. आफ्टर दिस आई एम यूजिंग दिस स्विस ब्यूटी का पर्ल इल्यूमिनेटर. इसको आप मेकअप के पहले भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. इट विल गिव यू ऐसे व्हेन यू विल बी डन विथ योर मेकअप इट विल गिव यू शाइन फ्रॉम अंदर से. बट आई लाइक टू यूज़ इट एज एन हाईलाइटर. ट्रस्ट मी, इट is amazing. I got this from the suggestions from the Shy Styles, and ये Saima इसको बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ करती है and she always recommend this on because this is one thing, the formula is very amazing, and the other thing, it is very on the affordable side. So please do check out this product. It have two colors, one is silver pink and another is golden pink, so I prefer silver pink. And literally, oh my god, just look at the shine which I got just after tapping. और इसकी मैंने एक खास बात है कि जैसे जैसे आपका like if you are समवेयर थोड़ा बहुत भी स्वेट आता है ना स्किन पे, थोड़ा बहुत भी मॉइस्चर या ऑयल निकलता है ना, ये और ज़्यादा चमकता है. एंड दैट इज़ लाइक अमेजिंग फैक्टर. द लास्ट स्टेप वाज माय लिपस्टिक. इनसाइड का लिपस्टिक लिया है मैंने, लाइट पिंक कलर का लिपस्टिक लगा रही हूँ. बहुत ही प्रिसाइसली आपके लिप्स को शेप करो और योर लुक इज़ कम्प्लीट. यू डोंट नीड एनीथिंग आफ्टर दिस. ट्रस्ट मी, this is the game changer. Like lipstick, I feel lipstick and mascara are game changer for the guys. So this video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you really do, please guys, you must be knowing that you have to like this video, subscribe to my channel and share it with your family and friends. That literally makes me feel very happy from the within. So please don't forget to do all this. And on this note, I am signing off and wishing you all the love and luck. Bye guys.